Hey guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today I want to introduce to you one of my hometown favorite street food called Ipoh shredded chicken noodles. So why is it so popular? The secret lies on the broth of the noodles. It is made with chicken bones and shrimp shells. What a unique combination! So in this video, I want to show you how to prepare my hometown favorite street food, Ipoh shredded chicken noodles. Keep watching. I've divided it into a few steps. First, deep fry the shallots. After the shallots becomes crispy, pour it through a wire mesh strainer to remove the excess oil. Heat about 6 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Stir fry the shrimp heads until fragrant and turn golden, which will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Strain the shrimp heads and keep the shrimp oil separately. Prepare the chicken and shrimp broth. Wash the chicken bones and place it in a stock pot. Fill with cold water enough to cover all the bones. Bring the water to a boil and then reduce the heat to a bare simmer. Skim away the scum floating on the surface from time to time. Add the peppercorn. Let it simmer over low heat for about 1 hour or until the bones turn soft and release all the flavor. Now return the fried shrimp heads back to the stock and simmer for another 20 minutes. Remove all the shrimp heads and the chicken bones. Let it pass through a strainer or a cloth bag to get a clean stock. Season the stock with rock sugar and salt. Cook the ingredients for the noodles. Simmer the chicken breast meat in the clean stock until it is cooked. Put the shrimp in a small colander and poach it in the stock until it is cooked. Shred the chicken meat into small pieces. Get ready some chives, scallions, and chilies. Blanch the chives. Blanch the bean sprouts. This is how the flat rice noodles looks like, which is easily available in the local market. If it is not available, you can use the dry version. Follow the instruction on the packet and cook it until al dente before use. Blanch the noodles in hot water for 20 seconds. Lastly, assemble and serve. Now it comes to the final part, that is to assemble everything into one bowl and serve. Ladle the broth into the bowl. The cooked shrimps, the bean sprouts, chives, scallion, chili, the fried shallot that we made earlier on, now we can enjoy the noodles and serve hot immediately. That's how I prepare the Ipoh shredded chicken noodles, and I hope you will like it. If you want to get the recipe, I have included in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button and give me a like. I'll see you again in other videos on this channel soon. Bye for now.